Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution, SNAr. The reaction of aryl halides with HO proceeds via the addition-elimination, Mesenheimer complex, mechanism. The rate-determining step is the addition of the nucleophile to form the Mesenheimer complex, which is stabilized by electron-withdrawing groups, EWG, ortho and para to the leaving group, Br. More EWG groups ortho-para to Br is equal to greater stabilization of the Mesenheimer complex is equal to faster reaction. Analysis of each compound, Br is the site of nucleophilic attack. I. Metanitrobromobenzene, 1 number 2 group at meta position. Meta number 2 does not directly stabilize the Mesenheimer complex, negative charge at ortho-para positions relative to Br, so it provides minimal activation. Least reactive among the 4. 3. Para-nitrobromobenzene, 1 number 2 group at para position. Para number 2 directly stabilize the Mesenheimer complex, negative charge delocalized onto the para-no2 group. More reactive than meta-isomer, but only one activating number 2. 4,2,4-dinitrobromobenzene, 2 number 2 groups, 1 at ortho, position 2, and 1 at para, position 4, relative to Br. Both are ortho-para to Br, so both directly stabilize the Mesenheimer complex. More reactive than mononitro compounds. 2,2,4,6-trinitrobromobenzene, 3 number 2 groups at positions 2, 4, and 6, both ortho positions and para position, relative to Br. All 3 number 2 groups are ortho-para to Br, providing maximum stabilization of the Mesenheimer complex. Most reactive. Decreasing order of reactivity to 4,3I. Why other options fail? A. I to 3,4, incorrect, places meta-isomer, I, as most reactive, which is wrong. C. 4 to 3I, incorrect, places 4 above 2, but trinitro compound 2 has more activating groups than dinitro 4. D. To 4I3, incorrect, places meta-isomer, I, above para-isomer, 3, but para-no2 activates SNAr more effectively than meta-no2. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.